A cargo plane of Mexican cargo airline MAS landed at Xinjiang International Airport in central China's Zhengzhou city on Saturday, marking the successful maiden flight of the newly opened air cargo route between Zhengzhou and Mexico City. The new air cargo route is expected to boost trade connectivity between China and Mexico.
This flight is a milestone because it will foster trade. It will foster the connectivity between the two countries and will be the first step to reestablish the passenger connection.
The current frequency of cargo flight on the route is 3 per week, and will be gradually lifted to 1 flight per day. The route is jointly built by MAS and Chinese company Universal TransLink Aviation Transportation Service.
出口的货物呢，主要是以服装电商类的，包括一些机械配件，还有咱们这个防疫物资为主。然后从墨西哥进口到咱们国内呢，主要是以生鲜类的鲜花呀，包括那个水果，然后也有一定的汽车配件，还有一些那个食品类的货物。年度的进出口的货物总量预计是在1.2万到1.3万吨左右。
中国郑州到墨西哥城这条航线的开辟，连接了中国的中部和美洲的中部，是我们物流大通道的核心节点之一，也是我们把空中物流大通道和世界经济联系在一起的一个具体举措。